Remove the 4 screws from the control board protective cover and take off the cover. Remove the screws securing the control board, then take out the control board. Check whether the thermal pad and waterproof rubber ring are properly in place on the new control board. Install the control board and fasten it with the mounting screws. Install the old accessories onto the new protective cover. Check whether the sealing rubber rings for all 4 screws are in place. Install the protective cover. Tighten the 4 screws diagonally. Fill all 4 screw holes with waterproof sealant.